I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 268 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, used to post on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He'd answer the questions. We read the questions and the answers and take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about have a free drink in the casino offer. Can I get drinks when the casino's closed? Can I bring a ultrasonic humidifier on the ship? My flight is scheduled 3 hours after arrival to the port for debarkation. How do I get off in time? I'm cruising out of Australia. Are all the gratuities added into the price of the cruise? And can I get an extra cabin key?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is sailing on the Firenze, and they have the free drinks in the casino as one of their offers. Their question is, when the casino isn't open, do they still get free drinks, or do they have to buy them themselves? John said he's afraid you would need to purchase them on your own, as the offer is for only when you're actively playing inside the casino, obviously when it's open. There are other drink packages which some people get, which is drinks on us everywhere. It is a casino offer, and you can use them, as the package says, everywhere. So if it's one that you can drink when you're in the casino, nope. You're on your own after that. I don't know if you want to buy the drink package. Depends how much you drink, I guess. Anyway, question two. This cruiser wanted to know if they can bring an ultrasonic humidifier on the ship. It has no heating element and produces a cooling mist. John said he checked the prohibited list and he didn't see it on there, so yeah, you absolutely can. Something like that, I'm guessing, is a little bit more sensitive, so you might not want to put it in your check luggage because it's luggage, and if you've seen how they handle the luggage, it might not make it. So if you like to bring an ultrasonic humidifier, you can. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser's flight is scheduled 3 hours after the port arrival time on debarkation day, and they wanted to know if Carnival will work with them to ensure that they get off the ship in time so they do not miss their flight. John said you just need to keep all your luggage with you rather than put it outside your cabin, and you will be the first to get off the ship. This is called, as Carnival calls it, self-assist. If you can avoid booking a flight that close to not even your debarkation time, just getting back on the ship, I would try to push it a little bit further. Things can happen. We've been on ships where 3-4 hours later, we're still not off because somebody picked up some hooch in a different country and customs caught them getting off, and then it makes a delay. So try to book that as far as you possibly can after getting off the ship. Just me. Question four. This cruiser is going on a cruise out of Australia and wanted to know if they add gratuities to the cost of the cruise. They always prepay but could not find the option to do this online. John said, no, you do not pay additional gratuities in Australia as it is included in the cost of the cruise. There's a lot of debate back and forth on this. I don't know. What do you think? Should they include gratuities in all cruises in the total fare? Put your comments below. I'm on the fence both sides because I see way too many people removing the gratuities, and that's how these fine folks make their money. But if you had bad service, you have the option to take the gratuities off. So I'm on the fence. Let me know what you think down below. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if it's possible to get an extra cabin card. They had a room booked with 2 of their female friends, and their husband decided to go on the last minute, so they booked him a room by himself. He would like an extra key just in case one of them needs to use his room to change or shower or freshen up, because he said with 3 ladies in one room and one really small bathroom, might take a while to get ready. John said, of course you can. Just go to the guest services when you board the ship and they will take care of it. It will be a blue card. And it's only for room access. You can't charge anything, nothing. Period. End of story. We may or may not have forgotten our key in the cabin before. And we're Diamond. We've been cruising for a very long time. And it was weird to have a blue card because that's the color of the card. So yes, you absolutely can get an extra key, but it's literally for just opening the door. That's it, plain and simple. That's been episode 268 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.